pinalakwang doon ng saxophone daw sa luwali ko. Alright, Chris.
Sawa yung bata.
Magsasawa yung bata, no? Oo, magsasawa yung bata. Kaya sa luwali ko na nga alam. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Itsy bitsy spider went out the water. Down in the lake.
And you know, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome one and all to Baby Dion's dedication and first birthday celebration. Again, I am your host. I am host Maggie, and we have our professional DJ, Kashabi. Alright, now we are gathered here today to celebrate two wonderful milestones, and that is dedicating Baby Leon to the Lord and celebrating his very first year of life. Now, how about we begin this celebration with some type of energy? Ladies and gentlemen, paninig naman ako ng inyong masaya at malakas na palakpakan. Very nice naman yan. Ang ganda ng energy niyo ngayon, ha? Thank you so much for that. First things first, we want to say thank you on behalf of Mami Kimberly and Daddy Steve. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong oras at sa inyong presensya sa pagdalo dito, lalong-lalo na po ang inyong pagmamahal sa mag-asawa at sa kanilang baby. You know what? It's not every day that we get to witness such a beautiful moment like this one. Kaya naman po ito ang nilook forward ni Daddy Steve and Mami Kimberly. And may I just add, you all look great today. So palakpakan niyo naman ang inyong mga sarili. Alright, without further ado, let us all welcome our Ninong and Ninang for today's event. As I call on your name, please stand for you to be recognized. And let's begin with our Pogi Ninong Ryan Zane. Nasaan ang ating Ninong Ryan daan? Thank you so much for that. And everyone, we have King Brando Castillo and Beverly Ramos Garcia. Tayo po kayo para ma-recognize. So with our baby, of course. And then we have Neil Joshua Leoniga and Neil Justin Leoniga. Yes, po sila sa likod. Hello po. And then we have Jared Lozada. Dito po sa yes. We also have Christy Mugas. Alright, and we also have Rowena Tales. Yes, tatayo po kayo. Tatayo naman po kayo ng 3 seconds para makita namin yung mga ganda at gwapo yung pagkaluka. Ito po, Leslie Ann Magnate. Nasaan po ang ating magandang Miss Leslie Magnate? Wala siya. Okay, moving on to Lady Ann Magat. Our name is Lady Ann Magat. Sino po si Ma'am Lady Ann Magat? Wala din po. And we have Johan May Galvin. Ano po siya sa loob, sa likod? Nagtatago. And then our last but not the least, we have Ayoni Naran Ranay. Alright, thank you so much, Ninong and Nina, for accepting this very special role in Leon's life. And now, let us all put our hands together. May we please ask you to please stand as we clap and cheer for our star of the show. Let us all welcome our baby Leon together with his wonderful parent, Kimberly